Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress Elementor Builder tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video we just scratch built this little hero section here using the Elementor Builder. Let's continue. So either click the Edit with Elementor here. Well, I've got mine open and it should bring you to this page. Let's add a new section. And I'll go for a single column. So I'm going to add a title. Click on our little grid icon up here. Let's add our heading. Drag it in there till you get the little blue bar. And let's say what we want to say. That'll do. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And let's center it. And we'll make it a blue color, why not? That's fine. There's plenty of other options under typography here. You can set your font family, the size, weight, transform, style, decoration, line height, and letter spacing. I'm going to leave those all on default for the moment. And let's add a little paragraph of text just below that. So I'm going to grab the text editor module, drop it in just below there. And let's just copy this over a few times. So I don't have any real content to put in there. Okay, that's fine. And now let's align that content centered. We can justify it as well if we want to. I think I like the look of it centered better. So there's our little about statement. I want to add a bit of padding to the top and bottom of this section. So I'm going to hit the section edit button. Go to advanced. And add a bit of padding top and bottom. I don't want it on all sides, I just want it on top and bottom. Let's say 50. Yeah, that's going to look about right. And 50 on the bottom as well. It's fine. Okay, now let's add another little section. This time let's make it 2 columns. And let's add some more little interesting items from our grid boxes here. What? That's some progress bars, they're always good fun. Okay, here's my skill. Say design. We'll leave what it says inside, but we'll say web design instead of web designer. Let's give it 85%. Got various different types here. Info success, there'll be different colors. It's the one we've got at the moment. Success should be green. Danger is going to be red. Warning will be orange. There we go. Yeah, let's make them blue, same as our other color. So let's go ahead and color. Go ahead and make them blue, that's fine. You can change this background color here if you want to. I'm going to leave mine fine, and the inner text color, I'm going to leave that alone also. And there's extra padding and CSS IDs, etc. Z-index. Z-index pulls it forward or backwards depending on the higher number is going to mean it's forward, a lower number is going to mean it's behind other things on the canvas. So that's fine, I think. Let's just, is there anything else we need to do? Background, inner text color, title style, here's the title. text color. Let's just make that dark grey. Or we could try the blue, I suppose. Yeah, let's leave it that blue color. Okay, well, let's copy this and paste it. So I just went copy. Now I'm going to right click and hit paste. Put it underneath it. I'm going to do that a couple times and we'll just change the interior. I think 4 will do probably. Okay, and if you change the style of one of these, let's go back and get the style here. Title style. Let's change this to grey. Yeah, that'll work right there. Okay, so we've changed this one, but we want the styles to be here as well. So if we just go copy, right click and then copy, then we can right click and paste style. So you can see it changes that design title to the same color. So that's handy if you change the style on something else. All right, design, let's see, concept. Just want to change these to something unique. Employment. And let's do testing. And of course we want different amounts on all of these. You don't have to have, but you can put what you want on each one. There we go. Little stats box with some counters there, or progress bars. And over on the right hand side, let's put a video. How about that? So we go back to our boxes and down to video. Let's grab a video. It's already put a placeholder in there, that's fine, but we want to put our own video in there. I'm just going to grab one of my own URLs. It's just a YouTube video URL, whatever video you want to put in there. Copy that, paste it in the URL there. There we go, let's put my video in there. You can have it autoplay, muted, loop. That's kind of handy to have it auto playing, but muted. Let's try that. Have it loop. There we go. So it's going to play, but it'll be muted, so that's fine. Okay, let's just add a couple more sections, and that'll be our about section done then. So going to add another section here. Again, I'll make it 2. Let's put something interesting in here. About an icon list. Okay. Let's get rid of those 2 and make them similar by hitting that little icon there. We'll clone it. We'll do 4 of them. We'll leave it left align. Space between. Oh, I see. Okay. Add a bit more space between. Icon. Want to make that bigger. Something like that. Color. That are blue. And hover color. Try saying that 3 times. We'll make that green. That's fine. And let's just put something more interesting in there. Or whatever it is. I just clicked on this element, it brought it up over here. I'm just copying some stuff. I'll click back on this element. This is where we can put in what we want there. And I'll do exactly the same for the other ones. I'm just clicking on them with a left click and it's opening them up and allowing me to put that in there. There we go. Then let's just have another little text section here with perhaps a button like a call to action sort of thing. Similar to what we had in the hero section. So let's go back to our grid and grab a text editor. And again, I'll just copy this a few times. Yeah, that's fine. So let's change the color on a bit of this text. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to make it bold. And let's give it a different color. Give it that blue. It's fine. And we wanted to put a button below it. This time, what if can we have it justify? There we go. Now let's put our button below it onto the grid again. Add a button. Whoops, didn't get it in there. There we are, a little blue line, and drop it. It's good. Let's put it on the right hand side. Make it a little bit bigger. Learn more. That's where you want to put your link for wherever it is you want it to link to. Let's make it a large button. And let's make it our blue color. Text color we'll have as white. Background color we'll have as blue. And on hover, we'll have text color as white again. And we'll have background color on green. There we go. That's fine. Now I just want to put a bit of space between this section and this section. So let's click on the section icon here. That section. Okay. On this section. Advanced and style. Again, I'll put 50 at the top, 50 on the bottom. That might be too much. Let's uncheck the link. I don't want it all round. Okay, well, let's save that, update. We'll hit the little eye icon and preview our changes. There we go. We've got a nice little interesting about section for our little website. That was very easy to do with Elementor. Again, fairly well impressed with that. Quite enjoying working with this. So there you have it. That's how to add an about section to our site using the Elementor site builder. So far, so good. We'll keep adding sections as we go along. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, have a look down below and take one of our free courses. We've also got some premium courses down there with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. So do take a look. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.